Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic driver. So first we have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that you have to click on this icon. This is search icon in right hand side. Click on it and then enter the model number of graphic card. AORUS RTX 3090 Master 24G. Then click on the product. And this is your graphic card 2 point, this is 2 point and this is 1.0, this is 2.0, so no worry. Driver download and installations process same. After that click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7. So all the operating system installations process same. Download and install. So this is your driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box and it is completed 4 to 5 minutes. After that you just click on 3 dot and go to and click to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.